Okay, so this letter is also confused with the T. So the difference between this letter and the T is also exaggeration. And the T, you see the stop, stop, stop. There's a big difference between, not a big difference, maybe we have, we can spot the difference, but in English there is only one T, right? It may actually be a little bit different, but you may not have noticed that because you just only know one letter T, right? But the T in stop, you see that top is like a little bit more exaggerated. Unlike stand, it T here, we make this a letter that's called T, T, ta, if you remember. And then stop, that has a little bit more exaggeration on terms of like, it's a different thing when it comes to the placement of your tongue on your mouth, but it's a little bit, more like a little bit more different. It's not that much of a difference, even though we have two different letters. It's the same thing as seen and sawed, but it is what it is. We're just using it for our sake. So let's spot the ta in these words. Satr. Here's a ta, meaning a line. When you're writing, there are lines, right? This is a ta. Tariq. Here's a ta. Tariq, meaning road. Matar, rain. Here's a ta. Toyur, birds. Ta, here's the in the beginning. Tant, of course you have heard that. Tant or aunt. Like tant, everybody that is older than you call her tant. Of course, if she's not married, because even if she's, just recently married, if you call people tant, they will get mad at you. I've said it to somebody who's almost like a little bit older than me, and she was pissed off because of that. Because it's like tant. Okay, I don't know. Like, what should I call you? She was like, bro, I was just. I wanted to just leave the place because of that. I know how women, like how much women get mad because of that word. But anyways, just be careful. Don't use it unless she's older than your mom. Like, that. Even though you may have just avoid it because you don't want to get in trouble. Okay, so this word is tant. The first letter is ta, and the last letter is ta as well. So the next word is tanta. Okay, so the difference between this word and this word is actually like the last letter, but it makes it a lot different because Tanta is a city in Egypt, Tanta. But this word is Tant, which is like your aunt or something. The next word is Toba, like Toba lakum, blessed are you, when Jesus said that on the mountain. The first letter is Ta. Yatir, here's a Ta. The next word is عطر, cologne or perfume for women. And the last word is botros. Here's a ta, meaning Peter. Okay, let's put the ta here in these sentences. Okay, so starting from here. فركضت وجاءت إلى سمعان بطرس. Here's a ta. ووقف في الوسط. Okay, here is a ta. وسط. A wasat meaning in the center. وقال سلام لكم. بعد هذا أظهر أيضا يسوع نفسه للتلاميذ على بحر طبرية. Here is a ta. Great. Here is a tha, which is another letter that's similar to the ta, but in the next video.